Hello guys, how doing good? Today I'll show you how you can check your phone, unlock it. So how you can check this? So first you just should go settings and you can look and find like general option. Then you can just find it some option like tab about. Then you should look network provider lock. Here showing network provider lock. No SIM restriction. If you see have any restriction, then you think and you should understand like this phone lock it. And if you see like no SIM restriction, that's mean your phone unlock it right now. So that's it. Thanks for the watching and like this video and hit the subscribe button. Bye bye.